Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to flush Audi A3 coolant. Before you begin, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Always wear appropriate safety gear, like gloves and eye protection, throughout the process. Remember, old coolant is toxic, so have a plan for its safe and responsible disposal. Safety is paramount for this maintenance task. Now, let's drain the old coolant. First, find the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom of the radiator, or identify the lowest radiator hose. Position a large, clean drain pan directly underneath to catch all the fluid. Open the drain plug and then remove the cap from your coolant reservoir to allow the system to drain completely. With the old coolant drained, it's time to flush the system. Close the drain plug securely and refill your system with distilled water. Start the engine, turn your heater to its highest setting, and let it run for approximately 10 minutes. This circulates the water. Then, drain the system again. Repeat this flushing process until the water coming out is completely clear. Finally, let's refill with fresh coolant. Ensure the drain plug is tight, then slowly add the appropriate coolant mixture for your Audi A3. Once filled, run the engine with the heater on high, gently squeezing the radiator hoses to help release any trapped air. Monitor the coolant level over the next few drive cycles, topping it off if it drops below the minimum mark.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.